Watch out, object on road ahead.
Bonds to both of you. The result? You wake up ready for anything. Proven quality sleep is life-changing sleep. Don't miss our weekend special. Save up to $1,000 on Sleep Number 360 smart beds, plus free premium delivery when you add a base. Ends Monday. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com. Thanks for listening to Reasonable Doubt on Podcast One.
Frontier presents So the Holidays Are Over. Now what? So now that you've got...
Oh, shit!
Arnder. A-R-N-D-E-R. Arnder. Kenneth Wayne Arnder is his name. He's 18 years old, we discover. He's wearing jeans, very much late 70s. He's wearing jeans and what's described as a shirt that I can never find out exactly what shirt he had, but they keep describing it as a humorous shirt, a humorous drug reference shirt. So he's got like a ass grass or gas fucking shirt on or something, like some kind of 70s, you know.
Or have a nice day with a smiley face with the eyes.
He's stoned and he's got like that, you know, joint hanging.
Yeah. So you can take a big ass cut, what? 40, 60?
Oh,
break. We're gonna hit. Yeah. That's right. Just go right on around. We just skipped the light for free. Just go.
Fuck.
It's fine. They'll understand. It's like an emergency. We're fine. Anyhow, so yeah.
And you know what's the best part about it? I got that shit.
Did that just happen in front of a cop? Oh, shit.
If you're sitting there and you go, oh my god, if I tell my friends about this, they're gonna make fun of me or I'm gonna be so embarrassed, don't fucking do it. fucking asshole.
The odds are that your head coach and the entirety of the staff, they're not going to most likely be there 4 years from now. Maybe the head coach, maybe your position, but there's going to be some guys. Maybe it's one of your position coaches or your coordinator that moves, and maybe that's good, maybe it's bad.
How are they gonna fucking honk at us? The fuck?
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.